Owl. Once upon a time, deep in a quiet forest, there lived a small owl named Luna. Her feathers were white like the light of the moon, and her eyes were shining like stars. Luna loved to tell stories to various creatures in the forest at night. One night, the animals in the forest gathered. Ricky, a small squirrel, said, "What is today's story like?" I said with excitement. Luna began the story with a pleasant voice while smiling. A long time ago, there was a place where dream flowers bloomed in the back of this forest. This flower is a special flower that gives the viewer a dream of peace. The animals listened breathlessly. Luna continued. One day, Mimi, a small rabbit, found the flower. She made a wish softly when the flower was in full bloom. "Please, I hope my friends and I can always be happy." At that moment, the dream flower emitted a gentle light, and the air around it became soft and warm. A sense of security and happiness spread in Mimi's heart. Luna also talked about the adventure where Mimi visited the flower to help her friends. Then, Mimi continued to make her precious friend happy thanks to the flower of her dream. There was always a constant smile around her. As we approached the end of the story, Luna said in a quiet voice, "That's why sharing happiness with everyone's loved ones makes the true dream flower bloom." The animals warmed their hearts and fell asleep with peace of mind. The stars shone brightly in the night sky, and Luna rested her wings quietly while watching the light. In this way, a gentle dream enveloped the forest, and all the creatures were able to sleep comfortably. The flower of their dreams is always blooming in their hearts. Good night.